This lady's screaming about something. Oh, he's screaming back at her. Security. They fancy. Watch this idiot pulling out. I don't want him to hit us. Yeah. So there's Fremont Street.
Hey, there's the old Las Vegas club.
I know. Oh, look, they're putting concrete in that thing, right?
Yep, corner boundary.
To your left. There's Main Street Station. Yeah. Oh, we got a green light. We going straight? Where are we going?
Straight.
Oh, gosh. We're getting on the sidewalk. Don't worry, there's not many people walking. I know it annoys a lot of you. This is a massive sidewalk, though, so we got plenty of room. I'm not sure what he said, but okay. This is the part of Vegas everybody wanted us to come.
Yeah.
They didn't think the last part was.
A little bit of it.
They didn't think the last part was too dangerous, so they want us to go here. So we are on Bonanza and Casino Center Drive. It's right here. Parole and probation right there. Here we go. North of Las Vegas. Or this is Las Vegas Boulevard. There's the Neon Museum over to our right. We did a video on that. Have some pretty cool signs. There's Cashman Center. That's where they play the 51s games. Over there to our right. See, I don't feel scared here. I think it's the old buildings that creep me out. Ew. I don't like this part of the hood. So we got some tents down here. Oh, jeez.
Still over 100 grand.
For real?
For real. Probably like 120, 150.
Well, they are right there on Fremont Street. Like right next to Fremont.
We could probably look one up and go in one if we wanted.
Yeah. It's random clothes hanger hanging from that tree. We're gonna go down Stewart Avenue.
Maybe go down past the light. Maybe turn right at the light.
Turn on 7th Street. Okay. Here's El Cortez. Oh, let's go down to the left. This is more Fremont East area. We didn't go down very far that night. Oh, there's a bride.
Hey, I got so drunk at that place.
Yeah.
Atomic Liquors. That's
where I thought we were going to go on Fremont that one night. clean,
Oh, cool.
clean carriage. Oh, it smells good.
Soap supply, everything else just ask me. We can work on it.
Stop by and see Dennis and get some soaps. They smell really good. Look at that big fire hydrant. What? Smells like Hot World. Ooh, we're in some weird gravelly. The robot died.
So cool though. This is from Life is Beautiful.
Yeah.
That is a really cool.
That's the empty club right there. All right. Smells like the El Cortez. They have their own distinct smell, I think. Everybody's getting ready for their Fremont Street drink on St. Patty's Day. We were gonna try to go down Fremont, you guys, but there's already a ton of people, and the police were right there. I love how like people down here just let free, like. The girl was just dancing her life away, having fun. That's my favorite.
That's a wrap, Jack. Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace out, Vegas. We love you.